How are you? I miss you so much. Now we will do revision on Unit 3 Geometry. Number 1 Complete. Number 1 The lengths of AB were A -2 and 1, B equal 4 and 1. To find the lengths of AB, cancel the similar number in Y or in X. Number 1 we have 1 in Y in the point A and 1 in point B. Cancel 1 with 1. So the length of AB equal absolute of B minus A. So equal absolute of 4 minus -2 equal 6. Number 2. The length of AB where A equal 1 and 7, B equal 4 and 7. Cancel the similar 7 with 7. So we have 1 in A and 4 in B. So the length of AB equal absolute B difference A equal absolute of 4 minus 1 equal 3. Number 3. The image of the point 1 and 2 by translation -1 and 3 is what? To find the image, adding the translation to the point. X with X and Y with Y. We have the point 1 in the point and -1 in X in the translation, adding 1 plus -1. 2 plus 3. So adding X in the point with X in the translation and Y in the point with Y in translation. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 4. The image of the point 2, -4 by translation X plus 1, Y minus 2 is what? We have the point 2 and -4. 2 in X, -4 in Y. By translation X plus 1, X plus 1. So we have 2 in X plus 1 equal 3. We have Y minus 2. Y minus 2. We have Y equal -4 in the point. So -4 minus 2 equal 3 and -6. Number 5. The image of the point -1 and 2 by translation 3 and Y. Y plus what? Plus 0. So we're adding 0 on Y axis. The image is -1 plus 3 equal 2. 2 plus 0 equal 2. So the image is 2, 2. Number 6. The image of the point space by translation 2 and 1 is -2 and 4. So we have translation 2 and 1. And the image is -2 and 4. We want to find the point. So doing what? Subtraction. Yes. Subtraction what? Subtraction image minus translation. We have -2 minus 2 equal -4. 4 minus 1 equal 3. If you have translation and image, doing subtraction. Image minus translation to get the point. Number 7. The image of the point space by translation x plus 2, y minus 3 is 0 and 0. So we have translation 2 and -3. And its image is 0 and 0. So what is the point? Yes, doing subtraction. Subtraction what? Image minus translation. 0 minus 2 equal -2. 0 minus -3, yes, 3. So the image of the point -2, 3 is 0, 0. Number 8. The image of the point -6 and 5 By translation, what is 4 and 1? So we have the point and its image. What is the translation? Yes, doing subtraction. What? Image minus point. Image 4 and 1 minus negative 6 and 5. X minus x. 4 minus negative 6 equal 10. 1 minus 5 equal negative 4. Number 9. The image of the point 1 and negative 3 by translation 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis. Read again. We have the point 1 and the negative 3. So what is the translation? Yes, 3 in any direction, x or y. Positive or negative? Yes, we have 3 units in positive, so we have number 3. Of x-axis or y-axis? Yes, y or x? Yes, x-axis. So adding 3 above 1. Why? Because 1 in x-axis. So 3 plus 1 equal 4. And y? Still the same number, negative 3. Number 10. The image of the point negative 5 and 4 by translation 2 units in the negative direction of y-axis. We have the point negative 5 and 4. By translation 2 units in the negative direction. So we have negative 2. In any direction, y or x-axis? Yes, y. So adding negative 2 above 4. Negative 2 and 4 equal 2. Negative 5 in x, still negative 5. So we have negative 5 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. Number 11. The image of the point negative 3, negative 5 by translation 6 units in the negative direction of x-axis. The first part of the example. And the second part is and 4 units in the positive direction of y-axis. Yes, we have 2 numbers in x-axis and the number in y-axis. The first number is x-axis. We have 6 units in the negative direction. So we have negative 6 in x-axis. Yes, right? Negative 6 above negative 3. And 4 units in the positive direction of y-axis. Yes, we have 4 units in the positive equal 4. In any direction, y or x? Yes, y. So write number 4 above negative 5. The answer equal what? Negative 6, negative 3 equal negative 9. 4 minus 5, yes, negative 1. Number 12, the image of the point negative 5, negative 3 by translation 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis. We have the point negative 5 and the negative 3. Translation equal 3. Positive or negative? Yes, positive. So we have number 3 in x-axis. Write 3 above number 5. 3 minus 5 equal negative 2. Negative 3 in y, still negative 3. Number 13. 2 elements must be known for the translation. Are what? Yes, you must know 2 elements for translation. And the first is the direction, and number 2 is the magnitude or distance. Number 2. Choose the correct answer. The image of the point 1 and 2 by translation x plus 1, y minus 1. We have translation x plus 1. So move one step in x-axis. We have 1 plus 1 equal 2. And we have y minus 1 in the y direction. So 2 minus 1 equal what? 1. The answer is 2 and 1. Number 2. The image of the point negative 4 and 3 by translation negative 1, negative 4 is what? X with X, Y with Y. Negative 4 plus negative 1, yes, negative 5. 3 plus negative 4, yes, negative 1. The letter is B. Number 3, if xy is the image of the point 3, negative 2 by translation 1, 3, then the point xy. We have the image? No. I have the point 3, negative 2, and I have translation 1 and 3. So what is the image? Yes, adding. Firstly, x with x. Secondly is y with y. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Negative 2 plus 3 equal 1. The answer is 4 and 1. Choose the letter D. Number 4. The image of the point A, 3, negative 4 by translation x plus 1, y plus 4 is what? I have the point and the translation. Point is 3, negative 4. Translation is 1 and 4. So x with x, y with y. 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 4 plus 4, 0. So the answer is letter A. Number 5. The image of the point A, 3 and negative 2 by translation x plus 4, y plus 2 is what? I have the image? No, I want to find the image. The point equal 3, negative 2. Translation equal 4 and 2. So 3 plus 4 equal 7. Negative 2 plus 2, 0. So the answer is what? 7 and 0. Number 6. The image of the point negative 1 and 2 by translation of magnitude of 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis. I want to find the image. And I have the point negative 1 and 2. By translation what? In 2 direction or 1 direction only? Yes, 1 direction only. The magnitude of 3 units. Positive or negative? Yes, positive. So we have 3 in x-axis. Adding 3 above negative 1. 3 minus 1, 2. And we have 2 in y. The answer is 2 and 2. Number 7. The image of the point is 3, 0 by translation of magnitude of 3 units in the negative direction of x-axis. I have the point 3, 0. Translation by negative 3 in x-axis. Adding negative 3 above 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And I have 0 in y. So the answer is 0 and 0. Number 8. If A dash 3, negative 3 is the image of A by translation x minus 1 and y minus 4, then the point A is what? I want to find the point. So, doing what? Adding or subtraction? Yes, doing subtraction. Subtract what? Subtract the image minus translation. So, 3 minus negative 1. 3 minus negative 1. Yes, 4. Negative 3 minus negative 4 equal 1. So the answer is 4 and 1. Number 3. Using the following figure which represents the number line of integer. Letter A. The length of zx. To find the length of zx, doing absolute of what? X difference z. What is the number of x? Yes, 0. So write 0 minus what? Z equal negative 3. Write in the absolute. 0 minus negative 3 equal 3 units. The answer is positive number. Letter B. The length of ZB equal absolute of z minus b or b minus z? Yes, b minus z equal absolute of 2 minus negative 3 equal 5 units. Letter C, the length of ZA equal? Yes, absolute of A minus Z equal 5 minus negative 3 equal 8 units. The length of ZD equal absolute of Z difference D or D difference Z. Yes, right. Absolute of D minus Z equal 8 minus negative 3 equal 11 units. Number A, the length of XB equal what? Equal absolute of B difference X equal 2 minus 0 equal 2 units. Letter F, the length of XA equal absolute of A difference X. A equal 5, X equal 0. So write absolute of 5 minus 0 equal 5 units. Letter G, the length of XD equal absolute of D minus X. D equal 8 minus X minus 0. 8 minus 0 equal 8 units. Letter H, the length of AB equal absolute of B difference A. B difference A. 2 minus 5 equal negative 3. So I have the absolute. The answer is absolute of negative 3 equal 3 units. Letter I, the length of BD equal absolute of D minus B. 8 minus 2 equal 6 units. Letter J, the length of AD equal absolute of D difference A. 8 minus 5 equal 3 units. Number 4. Answer the following. Number 1. In the coordinate plane, letter A determines the position of the points A, 0 and 3, B, negative 2 and 0, letter C equal 0 and negative 3, letter D 2 and 0. In the first, put the point A, 0 in X and 3 in Y. 0 and 3. Don't forget to name the point letter A. The second, put the point B, negative 2 and 0. So the point on x-axis. Write the name B. Put point 3, 0 and negative 3, 0 and negative 3 equal what? C. Point D, 2 and 0. Write the name D. Join AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. Letter B. I want to find the length of AC. Length of AC equal absolute of C difference A equal negative 3 minus 3 equal 6 units. Or I find the length of AC on the coordinate. Count from point A to point C. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 units. So the length of AC equals 6 units. Letter C. The length of BD equal absolute of D minus B equal 2 minus negative 2 equal 4 units. Or count from point D to point B on the coordinate. you find the length is 4 units. What is the name of the shape A, B, C, D? Yes, I have rhombus. Why? Because I have two diagonals are not equal. But if I have two lengths AC and BD are equal, so I have the square, not rhombus. Okay? Find the area of the shape ABCD. I have a rhombus. So what is the area of rhombus? Yes, length by height if I have the length of the rhombus and its height. Or half by D1 by D2 if I have two diagonal lengths. So I have two diagonal lengths. The area is half by D1 by D2. What is the D1? AC and D2 is BD. So equal half by AC by BD. Substitute AC equal 6 and BD equal 4. So I have half by 6 by 4 equal 12 square units. Number 2. In the coordinate plane, letter A determines the points L, M, N, K. Put the point L, -1 and 1. -1 from x-axis. So up to reach 1 in y-axis. -1 and 1, put the name L. Put the point M, 1 and 1. Write the name M. Put point N, 1 and 8. Write the name N. Put the point K and write K. Join from L to M and MN and NK. The last is KL. What is the name of the shape LMNK? Yes, rectangle. Find the area of the shape. What is the area of rectangle? Yes, area of rectangle is length by width. What is the length of width? And length? Yes, the length is LM. Or width? Yes, I have width LM because it's smallest. LM equal 2 units. The length is MN, so equal 7 units. Count from M to reach to N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 units in MN. I have length equal 7 and width equal 2. What is the area? Length by width. So equal 7 by 2 equal 14 square units. Letter D. Find the perimeter of LMNK. I have length equal 7 and width equal 2. So it's easy to find the perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all by 2. Equal 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 by 2 equal 18 units. Without square because it's perimeter, not area. Letter E. Determine whether the shape is symmetric or not and say why. The rectangle is symmetric or not symmetric? Yes, it's symmetric. Why? Because it has two lines of symmetry. Number 3. Draw the square LMNO where L 6 and 0, M 6 and 6, N 0 and 6, and O 0 and 0. Then find the image of by translation x minus 3, y minus 3. In the first, draw the original shape or the original point. So, put point L, 6 and 0. And point M, 6 and 6. Write M. And put the point N, 0 and 6. Write its name. And the origin point is 0 and 0. write original point O. Join OL, LM, MN, NO. So I have square OL, MN. To find its image, write the original points in the first L, M, N, and O. Draw arrow to find its translation and its image. The translation is -3 in X and -4 in Y. So write -3 above any number in X in all points. -3, -3, -3. So I have -4 in Y axis. Write -4 above any number in Y axis. -4, -4, -4, -4. So the last is find the image. The image of L is L dash. 6 minus 3, 3. -4 and 0, -4. So the image of L is L dash equals 3, -4. Find the image of all points. M dash equal 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 4 equals 2. N dash equal -3 plus 0, -3. 6 minus 4 equal 2. The last image is O dash. -3 plus 0 equal -3. -4 plus 0 equal -4. The last step is drawing the image on the coordinate plane. So put point L dash 3 and -4 and M dash N dash and put the point O dash. Join L dash M dash M dash N dash N dash O dash, and the last line is O dash L dash. So I have the image of square O dash L dash M dash N dash. Number 4. In the coordinate plane, determine the points A, B, C, then find the image of triangle ABC by translation x plus 3 and y. In the first, write the points and put its point on the lattice. 1 and 5 is the point A. Letter B is 1 and 2. Put the point B, 1 and 2. And put the last point is 3 and 2. Its name is C. Join AB, BC, and AC to get the triangle ABC. This is the first step. Second step is find the image of the points by translation x plus 3 and y. So I have translation 3 in x-axis and 0 in y-axis. So write 3 above any number in x-axis. 3, 3, 3. Find the image. Yes, I have in y 0, 0, 0. Image of A is A dash. So A dash equal what? 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 5 equal 5. So I have A dash equal 4 and 5. B dash equal 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 2 equal 2. 4 and 2. B dash. The last image is C dash. 3 plus 3, 6. And 0 plus 2 equal 2. I have C dash, 6 and 2. The last step is drawing its image. A dash equal 4, 5, A dash. B dash equal 4 and 2. C, 6 and 2. Join A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, A dash, C dash to get the image of triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Number 5. In the opposite coordinate plane, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. I have a rhombus. Complete. What is the coordinates of A and B and C and D? Then find the length of AC and BD and its area. The point of A equal, look at the opposite figure, point A equal what? Yes, A in X equal 3 and Y equal 5. So I have 3 in X and 5 in Y. Letter B located on Y axis, so X is 0. Y equal 1. Point C equal negative 3 and negative 5. Letter D also is located at Y axis, so X equals 0. And the letter Y in Y equal what? Equal 9. The length of AC. AC count from point A to point C. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or 6, yes, 6. Or find the length of AC from its 2 points. C minus A equal negative 3 equal 6 units. The length of BD equal 8 units. Area of rhombus equal what? Yes, I have 2 diagonals, AC and BD, and are different, 6 and 8. So the area of rhombus equal half by D1 by D2 equal what? Half by AC by BD equal half by 6 by 8 equal 24 square units. Thank you.